गुड आफ्टरनून माय डियर फ्रेंड। आप ये सोच रहे हो कौन सा रेस्टोरेंट में जाएंगे डिनर करने के लिए? आप आपका फ्रेंड्स को लेके कौन सा रेस्टोरेंट में जाना चाहते हो? इसके लिए पहले आपको ये पता करना बहुत जरूरी है कितना टाइप का रेस्टोरेंट होता है। हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ रेस्टोरेंट्स आर एग्जिस्ट। सो सी टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द सेम थिंग्स। कितना तरीके का रेस्टोरेंट है, द टाइप्स ऑफ रेस्टोरेंट। तो फर्स्ट आई विल टेल यू the most expensive and good classical restaurant is a fine dining restaurant where you will find high class ambient, professional service like silver service, manicure service, gardo service, etc., multi courses meal, different types of meal you will get. Okay, expensive and premium ingredients will be there in your fine dining restaurant. Next, you will find casual dining restaurant. That casual dining restaurants are moderate prices, comfortable atmosphere, table service they will provide, and family friendly restaurant. Another one is quick service restaurant like fast food. Any kind of fast food center, if you go, you will see fast preparation and service. There will be limited menu and the price will be affordable price. Example, McDonald's, KFC, etc. This kind of restaurant you will find very reasonable price and it is affordable for everyone. Next, you will find cafe or coffee shop. In cafe or coffee shop, you will find light meal, snacks, coffee and other beverages. You can relax there, informal and environment. Guest can sit for long duration. There is no time duration for the guest and that coffee shop. Buffet restaurant. In the buffet restaurant, wide varieties of dishes will be displayed on the counter where guests will serve themselves. It's a self-service. That's called a buffet service. Fixed price will be there per person. You are going to that restaurant means only you have to pick up the dishes from the buffet and it will be on unlimited basis on certain fixed price per person wise. Another one is casual or family restaurant. In this case, you will find family friendly menu, medium spices and comfortable sitting and kids option of course will be there and the price will be affordable. So the price will be very affordable. There is not very much expensive. Next will be specialty restaurant. In the specialty restaurant, focuses on particular cuisine. Example, Chinese restaurant, Italian restaurant, Indian specialty restaurant. This kind of specialty restaurant, you will find excellent ambience and only that particular cuisine's food will be served. You will not get any Chinese food on Indian specialty restaurant, or maybe you will not get any Chinese food on Italian specialty restaurant. Okay. The next is lounges or bar and grill. Here, probably drinks is the more focused for the restaurant owner. Light meals and snacks will be served there. Relax sitting arrangement will be there. Music will be there. Guest can relax over there. Next, we have seen the food truck or food cart. Here, mobile food services, quick snacks, street food, affordable pricing, you will get it. Often we have seen the truck is going on the way, on the road, and somewhere where they will find the crowd or some event will happen, they will stop their car and they will start selling the street food on an affordable price. Next is theme restaurant. Theme restaurant is basically based on a concept or a particular theme. Example, jungle theme, Bollywood theme and pirate theme. So on particular theme, the restaurant will be decorated, food also will be according to the theme. The last is your cloud kitchen or ghost kitchen. On the cloud kitchen, you know everyone, there basically no dine in, only the delivery from the kitchen. So there is only kitchen is exist, no other place for having the food. You can collect the food from there, or you can order from the online, they will deliver to your particular places. It's called a cloud kitchen. So my dear friend, we have seen here 12 different varieties of restaurant. Before going to the restaurant or before deciding any function or occasion, just decide which restaurant is more affordable and more comfortable for you. You can plan your event accordingly. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe our hospitality channel to get more this kind of videos on your mobile. Thank you so much.